cake. It's not Grandma's cake. You dumb. Dumb.
Who's dumb?
Cassie is.
Why?
We left her.
We left her?
No, we left her.
Who's your best friend?
Noah left her and Papa left her.
Who's your best friend? Tell them who your best friend is. Say, my best friend is...
My sister Long.
Does your breath stink? Did you brush your teeth? Ew, you're nasty.